We'll guide you through how to update Nvidia graphics card drivers. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's a good idea to go and do this because then you can go and keep your graphics card running at the best performance, go and get the latest fixes for bugs and other issues as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step with what you need to do. Make sure it's this full guide because then you're going to know the different options as there are different ways you can go about this. So to go and get started, we will need to go and open up a web browser. So in this case, we'll go and use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Now, as I said, there are multiple different ways. The first way you can do this is with the Nvidia app. So what you can do is go and type in Nvidia app like so. Then you can go and find download Nvidia app for gamers and creators. Make sure you come to the official Nvidia site, nvidia.com. When you're here, you can then go and press download now and the app will download. I'll cover it and that in just a moment. Alternatively, what you can do is come back here and type in Nvidia graphics card drivers manual. So you can type that in and then find the option, download the official Nvidia drivers and come here. So here you can do a manual driver search, whereas with the Nvidia app, it's going to automatically find the best ones for you. But if you don't like the Nvidia app, this is the alternative. So you need to go and select the product category. I've got a GeForce. For the series, we'll just go and wait for this to load. You can then select this here and go and find the graphics card you have. I have the 40 series, wait for it to load. And then what you can do is you can go and choose the actual one here. I've got a 4070, so I'll select that. And then you can go and choose your operating system. Then you can go and choose the language and you can then press find. And it's going to go and find the best drivers for it. Just wait for this to load. And as you can see, here they are. So what you could do is go and download these here by pressing view to the right, wait for it to load, and you can then download them. Longer term, I think it's way better to go and use the Nvidia app. So that's what we're going to be using in this video. So now that you've gone and got the Nvidia app downloaded, you want to go and open up your file explorer. And in your file explorer, you find your downloads and find the Nvidia app. You need to go and double click on it. You'll go and get a Windows security pop-up. You'll need to go and agree for it to make changes to your device. And now it should go and run. And we can just go and wait for it to go and open. It should automatically. As you can see here, I'll just press agree and continue. And maybe doing an update here, so that's fine. We'll just go and wait. You can see here it's now opening up. Now it is important to note there are different types of drivers you can get for your Nvidia graphics card as well, depending upon what you want to do with it. So now the Nvidia app's open, all you need to do is go to the left. If you're interested in knowing what graphics card you've got, you can press system to the left, then you can press my rig and you can see some specs here. But to go and get the drivers and update them, press drivers to the left. And then in the top right, you can choose between game ready driver and studio driver. So choose what you're mainly using your computer for, whether that's gaming or creative apps. So in this case, I'll use studio driver. So I'll click there and then it should automatically check for updates. If it doesn't, you can press that refresh button in the top right. Then you can go and press download. You need to go and wait for this to go and download because it's 700 megabytes. It shouldn't go and take too long, but it will depend upon your internet connection. When it's going to finish downloading, that download button will go and change to install, and then all you'll need to do is press install and the latest drivers will be updated. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.